welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a beautiful day. Today's tutorial is about an easy simple makeup, which is right here. And if you guys like to see how did I achieve this makeup, and this makeup is super simple, anyone can do it, and it's super quick. So let's keep watching, and don't forget to like this video. First, I'm gonna prep my face, and to prep my face, I'll be using Maybelline's multifunctional moisturizer. So it works as a moisturizer and primer, so it saves so much of my time. It's gonna take on back of my hand, and I'm taking like really generous amount because I love nice and moisturized face. Now I'm gonna move on to my face, and first I'm like to correct my under eye dark circles. Now it's time for foundation. I know that last time you guys have requested me if I can use any drugstore foundation. So today I will be using Fit Me Dewy Smooth Foundation. This is not my shade. It is darker than my actual skin tone, but we'll see. We'll work it out. So I'm just gonna take this on the back of my hand. I'm not using too much of it, just like I hate using this kind of product where it doesn't have a pump, because it makes it so much easier. Otherwise this is like a mess, you know what I mean? Oops, I think I took too much. Yeah, so you really need like maybe maybe half of whatever I took. That's the thing, if you don't have the pump, I noticed that it's like wasted a lot of product. I'm just gonna take my beauty sponge right here, and I'm going to blend this guy. Now I'm going to conceal my under eye using this Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. And now to set my entire face, I will be using today Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. And literally I'm just gonna take this sponge and dip it just right in there and put it under my eye. And then I'm taking a powder brush and just taking a really tiniest amount, just this much up. Actually, I'm just gonna tap the axe. I'm just dabbing to the area where it tends to get more oil. Now I'm gonna quickly fill in my brows. I'm using Brow Definer by Anastasia. I'm just using the spoolie to brush my brows first, and I'm just going to lightly fill them in. And now I'm just gonna take my Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced, and I am using the shade Nectar to my brow bone, just to kind of brighten that brow bone. I'm gonna take a moment to show you this beautiful palette. This is the most cutest packaging I've ever seen. Like, look at how cute it is. It's like, oh my gosh, so pretty palette, and the colors are so beautiful, and it actually smells incredible. It actually smells like peaches. Like, if you guys have not smelled this palette, then you guys have to smell this. This is like, whenever I apply in the morning, it kind of like very refreshes me. It kind of like gives me a fruity kind of a smell, but it's not like it doesn't last. It's just the palette smells really good. So now I'm just gonna take this shade Puree right here onto my crease, and I'm just dusting it the rest of the product, and I'm taking this Morphe E27. This is the more fluffier brush, and just putting it on my crease. Just warming up my crease so that it looks more awake and I'm not going any crazy or anything. I'm just going to repeat the process on the other side as well. Now I'm going to take this shade Summer Yum and just going to deepen it my crease a little more. Just applying on the outer corner of my eye. And doing the same thing on the other side as well. Now I'm just gonna take Candied Peach. This is the most prettiest color in entire this palette. I really love this Candied Peach. It's just so beautiful pink. It's not even like, it's not too intense, but it's just beautiful. I'm just putting it onto my lid. Now I'm gonna take White Peach and apply an inner side of my eye, and I am going to spray the brush with the MAC Fix Plus, literally a tiny bit of it. Just a one pump will do the magic. Just because I wanted a really nice bright inner corner, that's why I'm doing this step. You can totally skip it if you don't like it. Take a fluffy brush and just gonna blend it everything together. Taking this flat brush, and I am using Puree and Summer Yum both on my lower lash line, just to kind of give like a smoky effect. What I'm gonna do today, so I'm just gonna take this tempting color right here on my flat brush, and I'm just going to apply it like my liner. See that? So I like kind of this whenever I apply my liner like this, like eyeshadow, like kind of smudge it. It makes my eyes look more flattering than I just apply a straight liner. It's my personal opinion. If you guys like liner, go ahead and apply it. Just going to smudge it a little bit. Now I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend all the harsh lines. So for mascara, I am today using L'Oreal Voluminous Carved, what is that? Curved brush? Okay, so I'm using this guy. Now moving on to the lower lashes, I'm applying this MAC Pro Longwear eyeliner, and I am just going to smoke it out a little bit. It's totally up to you. Whatever step you feel like that you don't have to do it or you don't have time to do it, you can totally skip it. It's just me. Once I start, I can't stop. So I'm just gonna apply this. What is this? So today I am using Makeup Forever HD blush. It is a cream blush, and after you apply it, it becomes powder and it looks like so beautiful. It gives like internal glow. Like it looks like your skin is actually glowing and it's just internally beautiful and red. So I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush and just applying it right on apple of my cheeks. Now I'm taking this Rosette lip liner from MAC and I'm just going to line my lip. Very neutral color, and it just looks like so monochromatic kind of a look, but I am all about color, my girl. So today I'm using Bumble by ColourPop. Oh, this is so beautiful, pretty color. One thing about liquid lipstick though, they are really dry, so whenever you want to apply it, you want to make sure that your lips is nice and moisturized. Otherwise, it's literally gonna dry it. And here is the final look. Hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and support your girl. And subscribe to my channel. And please comment down below if you have any questions or if you wanted to see anything particular. Please comment down below and don't forget to share this video to your loved ones. Thanks for watching this video. See you next week. Till then, stay gorgeous, stay stylish.